Wow. It's a new day, and I need to get the out of this hostel today. So it's like 7 in the morning. I'm gonna check out at 10. I'm gonna do my washing because I haven't washed any of my clothes since I kind of got here, and it's been a week. So my shingles still there. Obviously, it's only been like a couple hours since I got meds and whatever. It's itchy, it hurts, especially the one on my back, man. Especially because I'm lying down. I know I'm meant to be resting, but I'm still gonna get some stuff done. So I kind of wanted to check out the Sky Promenade that they've got here. So I might go check that out. I might leave my bags downstairs because I'm on the 4th floor. Yeah, just to get a nice view of the city and then start heading to my next location, which is in Osaka. So I'm pretty keen. I'll spend 2 days in Osaka, so it should be good. I'm again staying at a hostel there. Check-in's not till 3 though, and I think it's gonna take me maybe like 2 hours to get there. So as long as I leave around midday, should be all right. Start this day, gonna wash my clothes, gonna have a shower, nice cool shower as well. Apparently the cooler the water, the better it's gonna be for the shingles. I kind of before when I was having onsens like every single day. The shingles weren't as bad though, but I think it's the virus is spreading. All right, let's do this. So as you can see, the washing machine only takes 100 yen coins, and the dryer also only takes 100 yen coins. So luckily, there are a number of vending machines everywhere outside. So just got myself a water, do essentially just get some change. All right, well now I can wash my clothes. Yes. This is the Sky Promenade, the highest open-air observation deck in Nagoya. You're 220 meters up, and it's surprisingly quiet. For a Tuesday, around midday, there was only one other person up here. You can see the whole city stretch out in every direction, and it kind of makes you forget you're in the middle of Japan's 4th largest city. I'd been looking forward to this spot, but by the time I got here, with all the walking, I still wasn't feeling 100%. My body was running low, but moments like this, being still, taking it all in, especially from high up top, they kind of help. And now, time to head to the station.